we're gonna open the door and just let them go. Are you ready? Are we rolling? Wild Heart Ranch first raccoon release of 2012. We've got a dozen ready to go. And we're turning them loose right here in the middle of nowhere. Come on, babies. And they should start heading for the trees or the photographer's legs. One of the two.
Come on.
We're back in the crate.
Come on.
Yep. Come on, babies. You're free.
Get it going.
There's the one that doesn't want to leave in here.
Yeah. This one's empty. There we go. Uh-oh, hang on. Hang on. There you go. Okay, guys, trees. Trees. Okay, I'm gonna make this scary noise. Tree. Where are you going? Boogity boogity. Like it. Hang on. Oh, look, we're up the trees. Uh-oh. Come on, out of the way, out of the way. The reason they're coming at us is because they're scared. They don't know where they are.
And we've been the ones feeding them forever and a day.
Yes. So they're trying to get
Oh,
back.
wow. Hey, they're right at home.
Oh, yeah, they're... Oh, check them out.
You guys are missing out.
That is
Hey,
awesome.
they're going to get to it before you.
Yeah, everybody's picking out the good branches. Okay. Is there a can underneath the truck? Oh, no, she's Elliot. Okay.
I have one.
There we go.
From the bottom.
Come on, baby. Oh, look at him. What a wonderful tree. Oh, you picked the best spot. Oh, my
Good
goodness.
spot to get away from predators, close to the water.
Lots of food.
Big
Lots of forage.
vegetation.